So yes, I can tell you until I'm blue in the face of how great this vacuum is, but how does it actually work on surfaces? Well, let me show you, okay? Again, one of the things that you'll always be impressed is how light this machine is. Every time you lift that up, you're like, oh, that guy was right. So light. But is it powerful, and how is it going to do on different types of surfaces? Now, this is called the Guard S1 Parquet. It's called a Parquet for a reason. It's really meant for bare floors. It's a little unfair to have it, to expect for it to do really well on like a thick carpet like this. But there are two floor heads with this, if you recall. Let's try them both on all three surfaces, okay? And we got sand and coffee. I know we vacuum people have been accused of never coming up with anything creative to put on the floor as far as dirt, but hey, it shows good on camera. So you get a better understanding of how this does. Now, it's a very powerful motor, and you get suction settings to go with it. A question we often get is, why do I need suction settings? I can go on maximum all day long. No, you do not. As a matter of fact, I'll tell you why. Yes, maximum suction is great on hard floors, and I'll show you that. But specifically when you're using this floor head on rugs or any soft surface, or if you're using the vacuum for dusting your curtains and upholstery and furniture, you do not need maximum suction. As a matter of fact, you'll appreciate being able to control the suction of the machine. Right now we're on maximum suction, and we're gonna do this part here. Oh, again, before I go ahead, your combo tool comes with two types, two settings. One is for bare floors. When it's on bare floors, this pedal is pushed back. These bristles are out, so it's easier to glide. When on carpet, we're going to be push this pedal forward. It actually has a picture of a rug, so you can't miss it. Retracted bristles makes it easier to go over soft floors. But we are on a hard floor, so we're going to start with brushes out. This is going to be easy. We know this. It's not a surprise. So I want you to pay attention to one thing. This floor head has channels on the side, and that's what we call edge-to-edge cleaning. This is all just so you don't have to hit this against baseboards to get the corners. Now, I'm on a flat rug where this floor head is meant to be used. One of the things I'm going to do is there is a setting here, which is the second suction setting from the bottom, which is meant for rugs, flat rugs. So I've got it there. Now, if I still felt like this was hard to push back and forth, you have a bleeder valve here. Open that up. Air escapes, allows you to push this back and forth easier. This is a very powerful machine. And if you're not doing, if you're not on the right settings, this could be hard to push back and forth on carpets or rugs. Without the bleeder valve open, I mean, it's a one-shot deal, and I'm lifting the carpet up. But then again, remember, to make it easier, we go this way. That's that. This obviously is going to be easy peasy, no problem. However, how about thicker carpets and rugs? This floor head is really not meant for it. This model is not meant for it. It's meant to be used on parquet flooring, like hard flooring, but we're gonna try this anyways. So we're gonna try the vacuum on. It's already hard to push back and forth, not a lot of fun. So I'm going to open this valve. Yeah. Look, is it absolutely deep cleaning this carpet? No, but it's picking up the dirt, and that's more than what we want anyways with this model. The star of the show, the reason you're getting this, and the reason you'll thank me for this, introducing you to this Miele Parquet. This is my favorite tool on any hard floor. I use this daily. Yes, I own Miele vacuums, and I use them all the time. But the whole point of a Parquet is a couple of things. Well, it's nice and easy to use, but it just is so maneuverable. It's called a Parquet twister because it literally twists and turns in all different types of direction, which means it's so very easy to be used everywhere, especially under things and around things. Just glide on bare floors. I'll show you. Now I want maximum suction. Hard floors. There we go. Oh, this is just so easy, right? Easy peasy peasy. There we go. Forwards or backwards, it doesn't care. I can dance along with this thing all day long. If you have a lot of hardwood floors, you will thank me for this.